So, good day, everyone. Before we begin, let's have a short prayer. So, then the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, nice to meet you, everyone. So, before we begin, let's have your attendance first. Okay, so perfect attendance. Great job. Okay, a reminder. If you want to answer, raise your hand. And if someone is talking, listen and participate actively. Okay, so now who can tell me what's a pronoun? Of course, yes. So a pronoun is a word that takes place in nouns. So try to look at this what I'm holding. Yes. How about at the wall? What do you see? Okay, so today we learn the special words we just use. So there are demonstrative pronoun. Okay, let's try again. Yes, I called it point it out. Okay, so what will you do? Okay, so I also when I place some specific some things around the road. So what will you do? So I give a direction that you will point out the object in that direction. And then later, you will give direction to. Okay? So, Hannah, can you point out what's in the wall? Okay, very good. How about the outside? Okay, how about at your desk? Okay, very good. So now let's take the turn. So Maria, can you um give direction using these or those? Okay, very good. Maria is using these. Okay, great job with the game. So let's talk about what just happened. Okay, so what would did we use to point specific things? Okay, very good. You use the these, that, these, and those. Okay, very good. So, did the location of the object matter? Yes, very good. Okay, because when we say this and this, it is near. So when we say these and those, oh yes, far. Okay, so did it matter if there was one thing or many? Yes, it is matter because when we say this and that, it is one thing, and when we say this and those, many. Okay, so these words have a specific name. We call it demonstrative pronoun. Okay, look at the chart. Okay, can you look at this chart? So demonstrative pronoun are words that point to specific people, things, or ideas to clarify what you're referring to. Okay, meet the four types. Okay, this, that, these, and those. So when we say this, it is referring to near place. When we say that, it is far, and it is using this singular. So only one thing. So when we say this and those, we will see this, it is referring to a place of near. And when we say those, it is also far. And it's plural or many. Okay, try to look at this example on the board. So this is my favorite school. Another example, can you read it? Very good. That is our school gate. Very good. Another example. These are my friends. And the last example as those are words. So now, who can make a sentence using the demonstrative pronouns? Okay? Okay, perfect sound. Why? Oh, very good. How about you? Yeah, she's using the song example of this. Okay. So now I have here some questions to be answered for you to test your knowledge. Okay. So now, can you get your a 1/2 sheet of paper and try to answer this? So answer it directly. Okay. There's only 1 to 4. Okay. Okay. Are you done? Okay. So one number 1. So the answer is this. Very good. So this is my favorite song. And number 2. Yes, very good. This with EXE. So these are my shoes. So number 3. So the answer is dot. So dot is the clap. And number 4. These are cookies. So very good. So now you really got the point. So now let's have a quick quiz. So now you have the knowledge and now you know really exactly. So now time for a quick quiz, but don't worry, it is easy. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Just get your 1/2 sheet of paper to answer this one. Okay. So the instruction is write correct or incorrect, fix the wrong one. So in this sentence, there are some correct and incorrect. You're going to correct it if it's correct and incorrect, then correct it if it's incorrect. You just write the correct and incorrect. Okay? Okay, now you're done. So, what is the answer? Who can share me their answer? Okay, so number 1 is incorrect because she's using easy and is referring to singular terms. So, the correct answer is this is my pencil. So, what about number 2? Okay, very good. It is correct. So that is a beautiful flower. So how about number 3? Yes, it is correct. So are my books at the desk. Okay. How about number 5? Incorrect. Because what is the correct from demonstrative pronoun for number 4? Yes, these, which is plural. So the correct one for this is these are our chairs. How about number 5? Yes, that. So the right answer for this is that, not those. So that is the playground. So now you have so great work. Most of you caught the correct mistake. So for your assignment tomorrow, so here. So refer to the board for your assignment, which is the deadline is for tomorrow. Okay. So your assignment here is you're going to write 10 sentences using demonstrative pronoun. So and 5 should use plural. So 5 is plural and 5 is singular using the demonstrative pronoun. So underline the demonstrative pronoun in each sentence. So the deadline for that is tomorrow. If you have any question, just let me know. Okay? So copy it in your notebook and pass it tomorrow. Okay? Any question? Clarification? Okay, good. So, thank you everyone for listening. Have a great